YouTube? Welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Taking a little ride up Route 1 in Westport, heading to Fairfield, doing a little mic check, see how my mic is sounding. My last video I had a little crackling in the mic, and I went home, and it was funny that night or whatever, I noticed Brian Ford had just did a video about mic problems. Well, I have the Hero 8, and he was saying that Karen from Homebees was saying that if you have your Wi-Fi turned on, it can cause crackling with your microphone. So I'm willing to try anything, so I turned off my Wi-Fi. The other thing I did a little more research, and they say if you use a furry cat or a dead cat, whatever the hell that thing is called, I don't know. If you use that, you're supposed to turn the wind setting to off. Mine was on, so maybe between those two things, it'll sound better, but I even took it a step further. As you know, Purple Panda comes with a 3-ring plug, and it needs to adapt down to a 2-ring to work with the GoPro stuff. And they give you it's like a wire with the adapter on either end. Mine was flopping around on the outside of my helmet, so I don't know if that was causing some popping or static. I found on eBay it's a solid adapter. I paid a little bit more than you have to. I paid $7, but I got it in like 3 or 4 days. They have them for like $1.50 or something, but it takes a month or two to get them. So between those three things, I hope you're listening to crystal clear audio. Hope everything sounds good with no popping. I'll find out when I get home to the editing room. But yeah, it's a Monday. It's a beautiful day. I got out of work and I'm like, oh man, it's an evening for a ride. So decided to go out, take a ride, do a little vlog, check my mic. If you guys like my channel, do me a favor, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and I always encourage comments, good or bad. Whatever you gotta say, you know, go ahead. You're not gonna hurt my feelings. I welcome any comment you have. I just can't believe how nice it is out tonight. Bike is running great. I still have to get up on the highway and do a little review with the Del Rio windscreen. Uh-oh. I'm not being bullied by you, Amazon. And I want to do a video. I've been trying to get the retrofit LED indicators from Harley Davidson for this bike. I love revving under the bridges. I don't know, maybe I'm a butthole. And I ordered the fronts, I got them. The rears have been out of stock for like 2 months, and I just keep hearing rumors that there was something wrong with the fitment on them, and they had to go out and be, you know, redesigned a little or retooled. So I don't know if there's truth to that or what, but I heard a rumor they're supposed to be available again soon. So as soon as I get those, I'm going to be doing an install video on the retrofit indicator lights front and rear. I got to stop at the post office. I want to send Walton, PA some more stickers. I got to get on that sign. That's not a leaf blower. hoping I got the audio all fixed, and this way if I do the highway ride you guys can hear me. Doo doo doo. Breaking the law, breaking the law. Woo! Backfire. Hit a bump. My hand throttled funny and the bike backfired. I think it scared the shit out of the guy on the bike. Oh my god. This is where the rich and elite live. Don't know if you guys are picking up any of that scenery there. Nice little view. They're rebuilding the country club. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. I'll try to cut it down so it's about maybe 8 minutes. Little view here coming into Sasco Beach in Fairfield. Alright, so until next time, this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.